The Zelonpro 5000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer offers impressive cleaning power with its high water pressure and flow rate, making it ideal for a variety of tasks such as washing cars and cleaning patios. Equipped with 4 versatile nozzles and a foam cannon, this pressure washer provides flexibility and enhanced cleaning performance for different surfaces and cleaning needs. The design includes convenient storage features like a power cord hook and gun holder, ensuring easy access and efficient organization for both home and outdoor use. This electric pressure washer is a more environmentally friendly and safer option compared to gas models, as it operates without emitting harmful gases and generates less noise. The pressure washer is designed for easy assembly and use, with an ergonomic design that reduces user strain and makes it simple to tackle any cleaning task. With a compact and portable design, the Zelonpro pressure washer is easy to store and transport, enhancing its convenience for users seeking efficient cleaning solutions.